Hey guys, welcome to TrueTuber Tech. This video is about top 9 great and useful features of Redmi Note 5 Pro. These features are surprisingly great from the MIUI. So without wasting time, let's go into the video. This is my Redmi Note 5 Pro, Pro MIUI version. It is 9.5.19.0. Feature number 1. It is you can use both Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time. In other phones, suppose you have hotspot on and you just on your Wi-Fi, then the hotspot gets automatically turned off. But in this phone, you see hotspot is active, and if you turn the Wi-Fi, then you see the both of these are active. By using this feature, you can easily share your connected Wi-Fi network to your friend. Coming to the next feature, it is the split screen. Go to the menu icon, click on this, and you see at the top left corner the split screen option. Click on this and drag the app where you want to use that, and go to split screen settings. You see the calculator is on at the top and the settings in the bottom. You can toggle it by double pressing the middle portion, and you can also resize the size. That's all. If just drag it to the bottom and the split screen will be off. Next feature is full screen mode. Redmi Note 5 Pro has excellent 18:9 ratio, but you see this icon is at the bottom of the screen, so you are not getting the full 18:9. So you can use the full screen mode where this button will be hidden and you have to use some gestures for menu, home and back button. Go to settings and come down, and you see there is the option full screen display. Turn it on. Here you can learn the gestures. I am showing the gestures. For go back, suppose I have calculator on. If you want to back, just from swipe from screen edge from right to left, or you can swipe from left to right also. For home button, just swipe from down to middle, and from menu swipe from bottom to middle and hold. You can get the menu. Coming back to using the buttons, next feature is slow motion and time lapse. Here this camera allows you to shoot in time lapse and slow motion. Just turn it on and capture the video. The slow motion will be captured. It is also option for time lapse video. This slow motion and time lapse produces a very good quality stabilized video. The video stabilization of this camera is surprisingly very good. The next feature is this camera supports 4K video recording, but when you go to the settings, the video quality is only up to the full HD. Here is no option for 4K. So for that you have to use some third-party camera app like Open Camera. There you can use the full sensor of this camera. And next feature is you can mirror this button, that is back button at the left, menu button at the right. Go again to the full screen display, and you see there is a mirror button. Just you see the button is getting mirrored. So it is a very good features from Redmi Note 5 Pro. The next feature is the face unlock. You see my phone is locked. I am unlocking by, I am just press the power button, the phone lights up and gets automatically unlocked by my face. So this you can use, go to settings and search for face. You see this add face data and face unlock is on. Unlock using face data. You can add here, as my face data is already added, it's showing delete face data. The next feature is button and gesture shortcut. Go to settings and come to the additional settings, and you see there is a option button and gesture shortcuts. Here is several functional shortcuts. From launch camera, take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot using 3 fingers down. You see the screenshot is taken. You can launch camera from double pressing the power button, or you can change it from here. Let us I am locking my phone and I am double pressing the power button. You see the camera app, it's launched. You can use your fingerprint for shutter also. It is very good features. And the last features, not for Redmi Note 5 Pro only, it is for every MI phones nowadays, that MI phone comes with infrared sensor. It is very useful features. You can use the MI remote to control your ACs, TV, etc. You can even control your DSLR cameras, control its shutter. It is a very good features from MI. That's all, my friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this, share with your friends, give your comments in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.